All right, so I didn't want to start another video in the middle, but I want you to try example number 3. Think about, is it like 1 where I know where I don't know the volume and I have to find it, or is it like 2 where I know the volume and I have to find one of the other pieces? So, excuse me. Think about that and try to solve it and then come back. Welcome back. We should have had solving it like number 1, which means we are plugging in and we are finding the volume. And luckily we are given radius. We don't actually have to do anything special, which is kind of nice. And so again, you should have just multiplied all those things out, right? 1/3 times 3.14 times 2 squared times 4. And that gives us 12.56, and this would be inches cubed. Easy peasy. Oh, I did the wrong, hold up. I did the wrong number in here. My bad. My bad. You should have gotten 16.7 inches cubed. So sorry, I put in the wrong number. Ms. Sherman is not perfect, as we know. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Number 4 is a bear, and this is kind of an extension. So if you feel like, okay, I'm really good at what we're doing, Ms. Sherman, I want something that's a little bit more of a challenge, then let's talk about number 4. If you're like, Ms. Sherman, this is enough for me, you want to do something else, then skip this part and go to the next. So notice how on this one, right, we have our right triangle. Notice also how we have what's called the slant height, which is also our hypotenuse. So what it says is, use the Pythagorean theorem to find the height of the cone. So we are bringing in back, actually, our a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Our c is 25. We'll say b is 7, and we'll say we are finding a. 7 squared is 49. 25 squared is 625. Minus 49 on both sides. And that's 576. The square root of 576 is 24. So when I go to plug in for volume, we don't know it. We know that pi, they want us to actually use 22/7 instead of 3.14, which is fine. We know that the radius is 7, and we know that the height is now 24. So fill in those and solve this for the volume. Oh, sorry. Pi was supposed to be 22/7. Gosh darn it. And I got 1,232 centimeters cubed. And again, if you're like, what in the heck did she just do, Ms. Sherman? What are you doing? Again, just leave it. It's fine. Okay. Let's look at number 5, though. Let's look at number 5. Do me a favor. Go off to the side. Put what you know and then come back. Welcome back. We should have gotten our volume was known. Pi, we're going to go back to our 3.14. Our radius is unknown, and our height is 36. If you did not already, let's also plug that in.